Well, so what is OSM, right? So basically, we are right now in a world where we are having requirements from new services that are expected to be reducing costs and with an effective time to market. Okay. And the point is that we are in, well, there are some constraints like the process of convergence between network and IT and the legacy systems that exist. And at the same time, there are some new technology enablers like Kubernetes, containerization, the public clouds, etc. Okay, so OSM what tries to do is just to try to provide you a way to simplify the telco cloud management, meaning that it provides a platform to create networks as a service. Basically, it allows you to create networks to be deployed on different clouds, private clouds and public clouds. Okay, and in the end, it covers a kind of the role of a kind of a specialized platform as a service to deploy network functions and interconnect them together and relate them. Okay, so it's both the main challenges are basically to be able to interconnect them and create a connectivity between them, and also solve any kind of relation between them, and at the same time provide a way to be able to operate those network functions. OSM is prepared to work with different types of clouds based on like public clouds like Azure, Google Cloud, private clouds like based on OpenStack or VMware in OpenStack. It allows you to manage deployments in different sites, in multiple sites. And also at the same time, it allows you to deploy different kinds of network functions, either all of network functions consisting of a set of VMs or Kubernetes objects, what we call containerized network functions, or it could allow you to manage physical network functions, but at the same time, it could allow you for hybrid cases, so that you could have a combination of different deployment units, virtual machines, container workloads, etc. Since the very beginning, OSM has had a specific focus also on the performance aspects. So with OSM, it's possible to model in a general model, let's say, applicable to every cloud. You could provide requests for different kind of specific resources regarding memory, CPU allocation, CPU pinning, okay? So that, and also data plane assignment, so that you could achieve much higher performance, okay? In the end, OSM will provide you a model that is common to all clouds and will try to accommodate to the different clouds accordingly, okay? And the main idea of OSM and the main, let's say, the motive, let's say, for OSM is that once you have a network function package and you are able to build a network function package and you have been able to test it and work with that in a let's say in a test environment, okay, you could use those same packages to deploy in the same service anytime that you want in multiple clouds, okay? So you have tested that in your lab, you have validated that, and then you bring those same packages to different places, okay, to be able to be deployed there. Well, OSM brings several benefits. I won't go into all the details. I will just go very quickly through the community. Okay, we have a lot of members, so it includes global service providers, IT players, VNF providers, and well, with different roles in the ecosystems. Companies that are in the market of the OSS, BSS, network functions, VIMs or private clouds, public clouds, training, research, etc. Okay. In fact, there is a lot of well, there is a lot of installation for OSM, as you could see here, and there are several projects, European projects mostly, that are research projects that are using OSM. Well, and now just for you to know, okay, that we are in the process of launching a new release that will be launched shortly, hopefully in the next week, if everything goes well. And well, it includes a whole set of new functionalities. We are launching 2 releases per year, and with every release we are including some new functionality. So in this one we are including aspects related to closed loop architecture. So basically to be able to auto-scale, auto-healing with a new service as soon as architecture. We had a previous one in the past and we have updated it to incorporate all the things. Some security enhancements that we have included. For us, it's a worry, the security, because OSM is already used in production and we are identifying things that could be problematic and fixing them. The usability and platform management, well, it's also important to include new aspects regarding usability. Also, we are including new aspects regarding the deployment of the network functions, the support of IPv6 for some network interfaces that we didn't have. We had it partially. New connectors for different elements, the support of volume multi-attach, etc. And also some improvements in the way we are installing OSM. And well, as I was mentioning before, with every release we are adding new features. It's a long story right now, a long road. And well, just for you to let you know the process, how it works, right? We have every 6 months a new release 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. The next one will be 15, right? It's pretty simple. And we have a mix, we are moving from LTS to STS, right? So long-term support to standard support. The long-term support, it's 2 years. So we are providing releases of OSM that have 2 years of support, meaning that we are doing patches for those releases and launching new point releases from time to time, okay? Well, basically. That's all. There are a lot of use cases that we have shown in the past, and well, I don't want to go into more details. I think that that's enough for a short introduction. Do you have any question? No? Okay, thank you.